Welcome to Islam Home of Studies, where the powerful stories of Islamic history come to life.
Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers, sisters, and little ones. This is the story of the first mosque. The Prophet and his companions built it with their own hands. It was a place for everyone. A story of hope, unity, and a journey that changed the world. It all began with a single step. And the story begins with Prophet Muhammad and his closest friend Abu Bakr as they start the journey.
They walked under the burning desert sun, but although the journey was hard, their hearts were filled with trust in Allah.
After days of traveling, they arrived at a small, peaceful village called Quba. And the moment the people of the village saw that the Prophet has arrived, they were very happy. They gathered with smiling faces, welcomed him with open arms and hearts full of joy. He has arrived! He has arrived! Yeah!
He has arrived!
He has arrived! When the Prophet, peace be upon him, reached Quba, he could have asked for rest, but he didn't. He asked for something more meaningful, a place where all believers could pray together, a place of peace.
I want a peaceful place where we all can pray together,
A place where no one is higher or lower.
where all hearts face Allah.
That beautiful idea became the beginning of the very first mosque. I hope that you are learning, my brothers and sisters that have gathered here to learn with us. The Prophet didn't stand aside and watch. He picked up stones with his own blessed hands. He lifted bricks alongside the people of Quba. Everyone helped, including the children. Everyone came together. As they worked, they sang simple praises and smiled. They felt honored because they were building the heart of a growing community.
A strong foundation for our future.
We're helping build this bridge.
Indeed, a fine team.
And finally, the first mosque was complete. It was simple, a roof of palm leaves, walls of clay and stone. But inside it, there was peace. In that mosque, people prayed shoulder to shoulder. In that mosque, they learned the Quran. In that mosque, strangers became family. They stayed like family and became one. So what does this mean for us today? It means a mosque is not special because of how big or beautiful it is. A mosque becomes special because of the hearts inside it. And every time you pray, every time you learn something good, every time you help someone, you are building something beautiful inside your own heart. And finally, Prophet Muhammad and the villagers finished building the mosque, happily. So remember, my dear friends, the first mosque wasn't just built with stones. It was built with faith, unity, and love. And if you fill your heart with kindness, it can shine just like that first mosque in Quba. May Allah fill your life with peace and guidance. Assalamu alaikum. This is the end of our story for today. I hope you love it. Thank you for your time.